Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the amazing world of transgenic organisms. These organisms are like tiny factories that help us make important medicines. They're revolutionizing the way we treat diseases. Transgenic organisms are created by taking genes from one organism and putting them into another. This process allows scientists to give plants and animals new abilities, like producing life-saving medicines. It's like giving a plant a recipe to make a special ingredient. These modified organisms are super helpful in pharmacognosy, which is the study of using natural sources like plants to make medicines. By tweaking their genes, we can turn plants into mini factories that produce valuable medicinal compounds. It's like turning a regular tomato plant into a medicine-making machine. Plants have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. Think about it. Aspirin comes from willow bark and morphine comes from poppies. But sometimes it's difficult to get enough of these medicinal compounds from plants in the wild. That's where transgenic organisms come in. Scientists can genetically modify plants to produce larger quantities of these compounds. This means we can make more medicine faster and more efficiently. It's like turning up the volume on a plant's medicine-making abilities. For example, scientists have created transgenic yeast that produces artemisinin, an important anti-malarial drug. This breakthrough has made it easier and cheaper to produce this life-saving medicine, helping to combat malaria around the world. It's like having a tiny army of yeast-fighting disease. But how do scientists actually get genes from one organism into another? It's like a microscopic game of cut and paste. Scientists have figured out how to cut out specific genes from an organism's DNA, which is like its instruction manual. Then they paste this gene into the DNA of another organism, like a plant. This new gene becomes part of the plant's DNA, and the plant starts following the instructions from the new gene. It's like adding a new recipe to a cookbook. This process allows scientists to give plants new abilities, like producing medicines or resisting diseases. It's like giving a plant a superpower. Section 4, Agrobacterium, nature's genetic engineer. Now let's meet a very special bacteria called Agrobacterium. These tiny creatures are like nature's genetic engineers. They have a natural ability to insert their genes into plants, causing something called crown gall disease. Scientists have figured out how to use Agrobacterium's gene-transferring abilities for good. They've turned Agrobacterium into a tool for delivering beneficial genes into plants, like genes for disease resistance or increased nutrient content. It's like turning a villain into a superhero. Another type of Agrobacterium, called Agrobacterium rhizogenes, is particularly good at modifying plant roots. This is helpful for producing valuable compounds that are naturally found in roots, like certain medicines. It's like having a tiny gardener who specializes in growing medicine-filled roots. Section 5. Benefits and beyond a healthier future. The use of transgenic organisms in pharmacognosy has many benefits. It allows us to produce larger quantities of medicinal compounds, making medicines more accessible and affordable. Develop new treatments for diseases by producing novel pharmaceutical proteins in plants. Reduce the reliance on traditional medicine sources, which can be unsustainable or harmful to the environment. This technology has the potential to revolutionize medicine and improve human health in countless ways. It's like opening a treasure chest of new medical possibilities. Section 6. Challenges and the future. Navigating the GMO landscape. While the use of transgenic organisms holds immense promise, there are also challenges to consider. Some people worry about the potential environmental impact of genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. Scientists are working hard to address these concerns and ensure that GMOs are used safely and responsibly. It's important to have open and honest conversations about the benefits and risks of this technology. The future of pharmacognosy is bright, and transgenic organisms will undoubtedly play a key role in shaping this field. By harnessing the power of nature and technology, we can unlock new frontiers in medicine and create a healthier future for all. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning.